These are the fireworks that are outside my little brother's window. No more? Oh, that's a big sparkle. I don't think it's a celebration, is it? It's looking at my little brother anyway, so... I don't know what day this is. This is the 21st of August. No more. Oh, little like sparkle over there. Love you. These like giant shadows. I mean, at my window, like you can see tons and tons of flashing. And I'm to wake my little brother up. There's a car down there. Quite bright. I don't know how long this is going to go on for. I did get a little bit at the beginning. I'm going to have to edit it in because I think like 2 minutes of it was fireworks and it just stopped. Any more? Oh. Oh, my arm's actually hurting. Oh, there's a little... I don't know, is that just lights? Is that someone? So that's about it, I think. So yeah, it's very unexpected. If I see any more, I will, oh! There's a little spark there. Yeah, if I see more, I will probably show more footage. But if this is it, like, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next video again. Every once in a while, a little one goes up like that. I don't think it's anything that interesting, but there's another one there. Sorry, it's really dark. I mean, if it wasn't dark, I mean, it wouldn't be very good lighting. But yeah, I think that's actually it now, that little spark. Yeah, that's about it. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and a comment to see what you thought of it. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.